animal. They're so green and so awesome. I'd like to bring one home. Oh, that'll happen when ponies fly. What's there? Who's there? What's up?
This is a leopard frog, a rare breed. They only come out in the spring.
Oh, wow, look at this. She's so green, like a leopard.
But a leopard is not green.
Color doesn't matter at all. Spots are the main thing. Whose is she? Yours? Why do you think that she's donkey's? Maybe she's mine.
Excuse me, but she is no one's. She's wild.
We have to tame her then. I've been dreaming of having a pet like her for ages. Me too. I also want to have my own pet. It was my idea first. She's mine. No, she's mine. No, she's mine. She's mine.
Hold on. Don't forget, she is wild.
That's right. I have an idea. She can stay at my house for one day and at your house the next day. I got you. Adorable. You are so very adorable.
Hold on. You cannot just take a wild animal home. Wild animals all belong in nature. Otherwise... So a certain little horse decided to adopt a wild animal from the woods. When she went to sleep that night, the animal finally took...
Poor little thing. I think she might be hungry. I have some candy for her. Don't want it? Maybe you want to sleep. It's time for bed now, my dear. Ew, ew! You can't eat nasty things like that.
Leopard frogs feed on various insects, such as flies, maggots, snails, and bugs.
Go and eat your disgusting bugs yourself. Okay, enjoy your evening, but I'm taking her with me tomorrow.
Be careful. She is wild after all. One day a certain zebra... Leopard frogs have to live in the wild.
What is that? Help me, somebody, please!
What happened?
There's...
Oh, just like I told you, a wild animal.
What animal is this?
Oh, fear not. Follow me. It's just a frog. Don't fear.
She escaped and started jumping around the room.
Oh!
Aha! There you are. She really misses her home. And her friends, too.
And her delicious mosquitoes. Once upon a time, a certain pony caught a wild frog in the woods. And then...
Set it free.